Hey, what's up everyone? In this video, I'll be showing you how to recover data from a broken or a cracked Samsung Galaxy S8 by making use of a recovery software. So even before you can run the software, make sure that you've connected your phone to your computer, and once you launch this software, you'll find three buttons. There are recover files, recover photos, and recover drives. Select recover photos, and on next screen, select recover deleted photos if you're looking to recover the deleted data from your phone. Else you can go with the recover lost photos option that you see here. And on next screen, the software gives you a list of all drives that are connected to your computer. Select your phone's drive and then proceed ahead by clicking on the next button. And here select the file type of the file that you're looking to recover from your phone. I'll come to picture and I'll select the JPEG file extension here. And now the software begins to recover the JPG photos from the phone. All that you're supposed to do here is just wait for the recovery process to complete, and once the recovery process is completed, you'll be presented with all the data that was recovered from your phone. Alright, so we're done with the recovery process here, and on this screen, I'll select the JPG file extension that I see here, and I'll proceed ahead. And on this screen, I'll select a folder on my computer to which I'll be saving all the recovered photos. So click on this browse button that I see here, and I'll select a folder on the desktop to which all the recovered data will be saved to. So I'm selecting a folder here, and now the software begins to save all the recovered data from my phone to this folder. And once the saving is completed, I'll be presented with all the data that was recovered from my phone's drive. So here are all the photos that were recovered from my Samsung Galaxy S8. So this is simple to recover data from a broken or a cracked Samsung Galaxy S8 by making use of this software. So if you're looking to recover data from a broken or a cracked Samsung Galaxy S8 or even a Samsung Galaxy S9, then you can just get this software from the link that I provided below and start to recover back all the data. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching.